This is ChainMind, the decentralized AI network built for everyone. Just search ChainMind on Google, sign up, download the app, and you're in. That's it. You've joined the network. Run it on any device, phone, laptop, or server. Why ChainMind? Fully decentralized, fully yours.
Imagine a cancer patient waiting a month just to get into an operating room. Today that's the new reality. A recent study shows median wait times have jumped 41%, from 22 days in 2013 to 31 days this year, with rural patients and those on Medicaid waiting even longer. The culprits are a chronic surgeon shortage, operating rooms running at 90% capacity, and insurance approvals that grind to a halt. ChainMind's decentralized AI inference network can instantly match patients to open slots across the nation, automate authorization workflows, and redistribute surgical load to underutilized facilities. Hospitals can tap idle capacity in community centers, while patients receive real-time updates on their appointment status. The result is faster scheduling, transparent data, and fairer access for every cancer patient. Follow ChainMind to see how decentralized AI can turn the tide on cancer surgery delays.